Whooping cough cases have surged across the country to the highest levels in more than 30 years. As the child vaccination rate drops to a 10-year low, doctors are urging parents to get their kids and themselves immunised. Selena Zhang has more.
Riley Hughes was just 3 weeks old when he died from whooping cough. And while in the last 10 years, the free vaccine has become more available.
My concern point is that we're going to see those catastrophic outcomes coming back and the numbers are certainly on the rise.
Whooping cough cases have fluctuated over the last decade. They dropped during COVID, but since then there's been a significant spike, nearly 38,000 recorded from 2024 to 2025.
Even early in 2026, we're still seeing quite significant numbers of cases.
As infections have risen, the number of children fully immunised has fallen to a 10-year low. Vaccination rates haven't reached the national target of 95% since 2020. But it's not just children.
There is quite a substantial drop in the number of pregnant mums, for example, taking up the whooping cough vaccine by 10% or so.
We worry about misinformation. We worry about the knock-on effect that fear has driven into social media.
What I would love to see is that we provide free vaccination counselling appointments via the GP where parents can have all their questions asked.
The whooping cough vaccine is free for infants, adolescents and pregnant women, but GPs are urging all adults, especially those who look after children, to get immunised as well.
This week we should be preparing for our son's 11th birthday. Instead, we're sitting here talking about immunisation because whooping cough took his life and we just don't want that to happen to any other family.
Selena Zhang, 9 News.